Hello, welcome to WileyPLUS first day of class presentation. My name's Mia Van Zant. I am your student partner for the semester. This is where you can reach me by email. That's my cell phone number, and I can help you out with any questions you have regarding registration, purchase options, and questions about basically the functionality and how to navigate the site. If you would need tech support, like your things not loading, you need to go to that address right there, wileyplus.com/support. And if you need homework help, you need to email your instructor directly. Just a little bit about what we're going to go over today. What is WileyPLUS? How to register in WileyPLUS? What are some of your purchase options? Completing assignments, homeworks, and tips for using WileyPLUS, and basically where to go for help. What is WileyPLUS? WileyPLUS includes a complete online version of your textbook, video and slides to help you understand the material, hundreds of practice questions, and auto-graded homework assignments that will affect your grade. WileyPLUS is required for this course, and taking advantage of all WileyPLUS has to offer will help you excel and receive a higher grade. And I guarantee you, if you take advantage of this website and use WileyPLUS, you will receive a higher grade than if you didn't use it. It's definitely helpful in helping you understand the material that's given to you. There's a couple purchase options. If you receive financial aid and get a book voucher, you obviously have to purchase it through the JALC bookstore. Purchasing through Wiley directly, there's a couple options here. You can just get WileyPLUS because it's a full version of the textbook. I personally like having WileyPLUS and the loose leaf because I just am always used to having a loose leaf textbook and I'm a little old school. WileyPLUS does offer a 14-day grace period, but you will need to purchase the full version of WileyPLUS after those 14 days because it's necessary to complete this class. Amazon also offers some versions of the WileyPLUS Access in the book as well, but you just need to make sure whatever you do, you get WileyPLUS Access. And also the WileyPLUS Access is valid for 1 full year, and you will need it for Accounting 200 and Accounting 201. So I would just make a mental note to talk to your advisor at the when you're scheduling your classes. And if you need 201 and are taking 200, you go ahead and take 201 in the next semester because your access code will be good for 1 full year. Okay, getting started with WileyPLUS. You're going to go ahead and type in www.wileyplus.com/go/login, and it'll pull up this page. If you already have a WileyPLUS account, just go ahead and log in like normal. If this is your first time using WileyPLUS, click Create Account. This is going to be the portion where you need your registration code, so make sure you have that on you before you start setting this up. If you don't have one and you don't use book vouchers, Wiley will have a link so you can purchase it directly through the website. So for new users, after you click Create Account, this is going to be the screen that pops up, and you're going to type in your first name, your last name, and the email address you use, which will be your Volmail email address. And then you'll confirm that email address, put in your school's name, and hit Submit, because they're going to send you an email so you can set up your password after you've completed this step. After you've clicked on Create Account and you've put in all your information, you're going to need to go check your Volmail, and WileyPLUS will have sent you an email, and in there it's going to have a link for you to click to set your password. You need to click on that link, and then you need to pick a password that you're going to remember easily throughout the semester, and that's how you're going to access WileyPLUS all semester long. If you're a returning user, you're just going to log in like you normally would, and just like you did with last semester, you're going to click Add More Courses, and then it's going to pull up that page with the course ID number that your instructor will give you so you can find your course for the semester. Okay, this is where you're going to put in and find your course for the semester. Like I stated in the previous slide, new users, you're going to do the same thing. I'll have a little video after this slide to show you how to do it on the actual website. But you're just going to type in the 6-digit course ID number that your instructor gives you. If you by chance don't happen to have the 6-digit course ID number, you can search for it by course name, instructor's name, or your school, but I guarantee you're going to have the 6-digit number from your instructor to get access to your course. Okay, so when you go to that URL I gave you in the previous slides, it's www.wileyplus.com/go/login. It's going to bring you to this page. I already have a WileyPLUS account, so let's pretend like I don't, and I'm going to click Create Account. And this is where it's going to bring you. You'll enter your first name, your last name, your Volmail email address, put your school's name in. You'll scroll down to the bottom here and click Submit. And then after you click Submit, this is when you're going to go check your email, and WileyPLUS will have sent you that email so you can set up your password. Okay, so once you've done all that, or if you're a returning user and you have your account set up, you're going to go ahead and log in. This is going to be what your page looks like, and this right here is what you click to add your new course. This is where you're going to go ahead and type in your 6-digit code, or you can type I don't have it, and this is where you're going to search for it, but I'm almost 100% positive your instructor will give you your course ID number. All right, we're almost there. Once you've found the course you're in and you've added it to your portal, you'll have access to all the features on WileyPLUS. I suggest go ahead and click around, get yourself used to it, see, if you have any questions, reach out to me and I'll log onto my computer and I'll try to help and walk you through it. I really cannot express to you how crucial WileyPLUS will be in succeeding in your course. The PowerPoints and chapter modules are wonderful tools to help you understand the material. And remember, WileyPLUS assignments given to you by the instructor are graded and will affect how you do in the class. This is another really nifty thing that I enjoy about WileyPLUS. The layout's a little different than this, but as soon as you log in on your portal, once you've added your class, if you have an assignment due within 7 days, it will pull that assignment to the forefront so you see it, and it'll give you a reminder as soon as you log in. All graded work can be found under the assignment tab and when your teacher makes them available along with their due dates. Super easy. This is another feature they have. You can set up notifications. You go into your notification settings and set up your email preferences to receive a notification when it's due. These notifications, though, if your class is online, will also be on D2L. And towards the end here, if you're having technical issues logging on, go to support.wiley.com/s/contact support. If you're having any questions about registration, purchasing, how to access your assignments, or using WileyPLUS in any type of way, just ask me. Or you can check out other resources at wileyplus.gallery.video/student. And if you have a question about the course material or questions on the homework, please reach out to the instructor because that will be the most efficient way for you to do so. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like I said, my name's Mia Van Zant. If you have any questions on purchasing options, how to find your courses on Wiley, all my information is on that second slide. You can send me an email, shoot me a text, and then I'll try to help you as best as I can. Remember, if you're having issues with the actual website, contact tech support, and throughout the semester, if you're having any issues with understanding your homework, reach out to your instructor. Other than that, I can help you out, and I hope you have a great semester, and good luck.